Financial backers all around the world are keen on Tesla, and it is by all accounts doing great in a down market. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Elon Musk land. It even gets a few high claims and forecasts from the examination. Tesla then again doesn't frustrate. They're giving their all to remain on top. With this, it appears as though they're gradually making the examination expectations materialize. There are numerous Tesla bulls out there. Chamath Palihapitiya has been perhaps of Tesla's most conspicuous bull, and everybody is familiar with him and his help for Tesla anyway. He's finished something left everybody flabbergasted. Despite the fact that he's such a Tesla bull, he sold all his Tesla stock coming from him. This was absolutely unforeseen, yet how could he sell his Tesla stock when he's always an extremely unmistakable Tesla bull? Stay blocked to find out. Chamath Palihapitiya has been standing firm on major areas of strength for exceptionally in Tesla stock for a seriously lengthy time span anyway. He chose to sell all of his Tesla stock only a couple of months after the stock got a positive projection during a meeting. He gave his justification for selling all his Tesla stock anyway. He is by all accounts serious areas of strength for that the organization has a brilliant future ahead, yet even as he gave his reasons, was it worth the effort? Chamath Palihapitiya was an exceptionally vocal individual when it came to supporting Tesla. He was continuously wagering on Tesla chief Elon Musk, since he thought of him as an extremely dear companion of his kin. Definitely knew that Palihapitiya was a dependable financial backer who might need to not gamble with his cash just to satisfy a companion. The carefully prepared monetary investigation has likewise seemed to trust in Tesla's spots. He additionally seemed to accept that the organization was well en route to surpassing all assumptions. As per the organizer and chief of social capital, he guarantees that he sold his stake in the Elon Musk light electric vehicle startup, basically in light of the fact that the high estimate permitted him to support his different endeavors. Palihapitiya shouted out, saying that he doesn't have an unending stock of money, so when he has these spots, he must figure out how to subsidize them. He then, at that point, proceeded to say that the main choice left for him is to overstretch himself, yet this was a risk that he was not able to investigate. It's very odd, particularly coming from a Tesla bull. With regards to the universe of financial planning, the trading of stocks is certainly not another idea. Considerably more fascinating is the way that he sold all of his Tesla stock. What individuals don't actually comprehend about this is the way it is feasible to trust in a brand so energetically, but not actually have even a little stake in the organization. Individuals are posing numerous inquiries about this move in light of the fact that previous this year he encouraged financial backers to clutch the stock, telling them not to sell any of the stock. He then proceeded to let them know that he anticipated that the stock should twofold or triple in esteem. Starting not long ago, Tesla stock has had an extraordinary cost in the market. As a matter of fact, it's been an incredible financial exchange champ. It was getting many achievements as it worked out in a good way en route to the S&P 500 file. This saved off an exceptionally impressive year for development, and the stock expanded by around 743% in 2020 alone. It's been a seriously significant time frame since individuals saw such development rates. Certain individuals suspect that Chamath Palihapitiya lost confidence in the organization's stock and simply needed out. Chamath sold his stock and said that he was keen on cash-creating resources. Hyper develops organizations with development paces of up to 50% per year and different resources like Bitcoin and Solana. Despite the fact that Chamath Palihapitiya claims that he's as yet sure about Tesla, he likewise said that his proposition has changed a tad. He conceded that he had totally misconceived the size of the electric vehicle industry. He guaranteed that the market had extraordinarily moved today. This was alluding to different automakers like Portage or General Engines making progress toward building their own electric vehicles. By and by, he truly accepts Tesla will be very bustling, being a top-tier electric vehicle organization. As of now, it appears to be that in some way, he's anticipating that the second other car organizations figured out how to join the electric vehicle industry, Tesla will struggle with accomplishing high development levels any longer yet. That is where he's off base. Who's Palihapitiya selling his stock? It tends to be viewed as the most empathetic hatchet for a man determined to impact the world. By what other method to do this, while possibly not by reinvesting the cash somewhere else where you can get a higher pace of return? This can be deciphered as the most unmistakable way for an advertiser to fabricate their public picture, so he could then get a few offers at a lower cost, raise the cost in broad daylight markets, and afterward offer them to general society, and keep the additions if you somehow happen to set the stocks to the side. Then all the other things that he said about Tesla when he was as yet bullish about it actually stands. When he was gotten some information about it, he said that what he finds the most engaging about the brand is that Tesla is as of now disseminated as an energy firm. This is an idea that Elon Musk has previously communicated previously, and in a 2016 meeting, he said that individuals consider Tesla an electric vehicle organization, yet Tesla's entire point is to speed the approach of economical energy, which up to this point, this is as yet important. The organization is continually dealing with this, and they're doing this with consistent advancement, incredible speed, which actually amazes the financial backers. Tesla's whole spotlight is on making the sustainable power progress a reality, and this moment Tesla is at the top with regards to electric vehicle fabricating. Despite the fact that there are others in a similar field, Tesla has proactively been a benchmark, and it is a genuinely beneficial thing to observe right now, with positive income in every one of the last 5 quarters, which isolates Tesla from other inheritance unique hardware makers, is that they're essentially endeavoring to adjust the change from gas to power, despite the fact that it's not expected to do so. Then again, Tesla is additionally engaged with sun-oriented influence and battery innovation, and even as environmentally friendly power innovation keeps on turning out to be more standard, there is a much more noteworthy extension opportunity. Tesla, as of now, has a huge and faithful client base to which they can offer different items for the people who have an ecological, social, and corporate government spend. Then Tesla, as of now, seems, by all accounts, to be a lot greater player with regards to clean energy industry, and seeming to be that towards the future. One more significant component to note is that Tesla, as of now, has a ton of space for extension. After all, they truly do have one extremely visionary chief driving them. They can be depicted as a blossoming industry, and this portrayal has a considerable amount to appreciate in it. Is significantly seriously intriguing that accepting Tesla can keep up with its industry chas. It has a ton of space to find a portion of the more seasoned contenders that don't have that equivalent picture. Heritage vehicle organizations like Portage and GEM are considering extending their electric vehicle tasks anyway. Their strength is as of now in the gas-controlled vehicle area, and that strength on this side doesn't provide them with any kind of benefit with regards to electric vehicles in the electric vehicle market. Tesla has previously constructed a name for itself, with its image, with Tesla's name being habitually spoken occasionally. The electric vehicle battleground is significantly more level. Likewise, Tesla has proactively demonstrated the way that it can contend well with the greatest automakers in the business. Since Palihapitiya sold all his stock, it didn't take well before the brand returned to being a trillion-dollar organization. Notwithstanding that Tesla's been working overwhelmingly on its extension designs, most examination thing that the development will accelerate significantly more in the last part of this current year and afterward in the final part of 2022. Tesla's, as of now, started creation of the German area. Furthermore, Tesla's new manufacturing plant in Texas is set to begin production before long. Baglino, Tesla Senior VP of Powertrain and Energy Design, said that the organization was at that point gaining great headway on the incline bend in Caddo, which is where a model is held, and that line is creating 4680 cells. So the Tesla Model I will be the main vehicle made with a battery pack incorporated into the actual vehicle. Giga Texas is likewise going to fabricate the more drawn-out weighted digital truck electric pickup and a semi-electric truck from here on out anyway. There's no firm creation dates which have been given for any of these vehicles. As per Tesla, they expect vehicle conveyances in 2022 to climb in excess of 5% each year. That is even with throughout the standing production network difficulties that it doesn't actually cope to be settled in the following year. When Elon Musk was representing the world's most important automaker, given hopeful viewpoint after the organization had a record quarter of deals that beat Wall Road's expectations. Cynics were stunned, yet Tesla bulls remain certain. When you consider the market feeling and brain research, everything gives off an impression of being going great for Tesla up to this point. Tesla's worth is clearly going to ascend as rivalry keeps on ruling various regions, and it will ultimately outperform flow forecasts, albeit the development may not be just about as quick as financial backers like California Territory would normally like. It is significant, however, to recall that the electric vehicle race is a long-distance race and not a run, and it is vastly improved to remember the big picture on this one. So what is your take on Tesla's stock? Is it going to soar soon? Where could you at any point anticipate it to go? Let us know down underneath. Keeping in mind that you're still here, feel free to tap on one of these 2 recordings on your screen. See you there.